Today's a travel day.
We'll be going from Van Horn, Texas, all the way to Valley Vista RV Resort in Benson, Arizona.
Let's go. Welcome to Valley Vista Encore RV Resort.
Yes, we are here in Benson, Arizona.
And we're gonna head up this way. The gate is not being used, but it says please check in at the office. So you're going to pull your rig up to the stop sign. And to the right is the office. Let's go check it out. This is the office where you will check in. They will assign you a site and then bring you to your site and get you backed in. Next to the office is a library, but it's in the clubhouse. There's DVDs. More books over here. And we have a TV and a couch. Oh, that looks comfortable too. And a seating area.
And coffee.
Coffee, microwave. Very cool. And they do have a good sized laundry room. Ironing board and iron. 5 dryers. And 5 washers. Behind the office is the bathhouse. There are 3 sinks. 3 stalls. Looks very clean in here. And 3 shower stalls. Very nice. Over here we have a small heated pool, very warm, a hot tub, and over here on the other side we have horseshoes, cornhole, and shuffleboard. And they have very nice chairs to sit in around the pool. They do have a good-sized dog park for the dogs to run around and play.
And they do have poop bags at either end.
Yes, they do.
So no excuse not to pick up after your dog.
They do have dumpsters throughout the park.
Aluminum cans. They even have a crusher for you.
Oh, how cool is that?
Other than that, everything goes in the dumpster. There are 145 sites here on this RV resort. You're either going to be in the group up here, or you're going to take the bridge over the wash and be in the group on that side.
The main road coming in is pavement, and then all the roads turn to gravel.
Including all of the sites. Now what you're looking at here is not a road, it's called a wash for the rainy seasons, and in case of floods it will divert the water so it doesn't go everywhere.
On the left-hand side of the park, they have several pull-through sites. Very large sites. Do have that beautiful mountain view behind, and as you can see, they are big rig friendly. And they do have nice little walkways that go right across the wash.
Check both ways, make sure there's not a rush of water coming down.
And this is the section directly in front of the office, where we are located.
Yeah, hey, there's some room over here if you guys have got nothing to do. If you want to come by and have a beer or soda.
Here is a couple of samples of the pull-through sites in our section. Pretty big.
Yes, they are.
And this is our row. If you come down here, you can see our site.
There's Maggie. Notice how one RV pulls in, the other backs in. So your common area actually faces each other, a recreation area, whatever you want to call it.
we are sharing with the very nice people next to us.
And there you go. It may not be the largest campground we ever stayed at, but it is definitely one we will visit again.
Absolutely.
Now, this is a part of the video where we discuss things we did not cover already in the review. We'll start with the campsites. They are all full hookups. They offer 30 and 50 amp service. Keep in mind though, if you want a 50 amp, you will pay an additional $3 a night for that. Cheryl and I are cheap, so we got a 30 amp site. But to be fair, it was only March.
And now it's 100 degrees there. We would be paying that $3.
Yeah, I guess we would.
They are open all year round, and they do offer some additional discount programs, such as Good Sam's, Military, and Passport America. But Passport America is only from April to October.
They are one of the few campgrounds that still accepts mail. But as always, before you have anything sent to any campground, check with the office to make sure that policy has not changed.
Yeah, always double check.
As far as TV goes, they do offer free TV. Just plug right in. 71 channels comes at you.
Woohoo!
Now, because we do what we do all the time for you, we should start making a new thing like that, huh? We do what we do for you. We did check our over-the-air antenna. We were able to pick up 15 channels. 5 of them were digital, 10 of them were analog, which means 5 were clear and 10 were fuzzy.
They do offer free Wi-Fi in the Clubhouse only, but you can pay for Wi-Fi and get it at your site.
Yeah, and now that brings us up to the AT&T versus Verizon battle. Now, if you saw our last review, we told you we were going to do this differently. We're no longer giving you what we had for bars because, well, bars mean nothing. So, we both downloaded Speed Test. It's an app that you can find out what the speed of your phone is doing. Cheryl downloaded Speed Test. I downloaded Speed Test, but check out what happened. There's 2 different versions of it.
Who knew?
But still, AT&T had 33.9 versus Verizon's 18.6. I think we know who was the clear-cut champion here.
Verizon worked fine. It worked fine for texting, for data. It was fine.
Yeah, it's just that AT&T was finer. All right, for those of you who've been following us for a while, you know that Cheryl and I have been keeping track of what it would have cost us to stay in all of these campgrounds if we did not have our 1,000 Trails membership. To refresh, or to let those of you who don't know, we do have an elite membership. We do pay the fees for that. I'm getting all tongue-tied here. We have an elite membership that we did pay for, used. We had to pay for the fees, and we did pay for trails collection. Grand total of $5,268. I know that may sound like a lot of money to some of you. Had we not had that and stayed in all these campgrounds that we stayed in, right now we would have paid $8,867.
That's big bucks.
So you subtract what little we paid, and so far we have saved $3,599. I say this every time. It's not for everyone, but for Cheryl and me,
It's great for the budget.
yeah, we're full-timers. It's just a no-brainer. So, but other than that,
I think that's it.
okay, so we're going to let you go here. If you like what you saw, we'd appreciate that thumbs up as always. If you want to become part of the Grow and Get Gone With Us gang, right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Yeah, because we'll say hi back. And by the way, we're on our way to California. So until the next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We'll get going with us.
Bye.